Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. I've got another Constitutional Silver purchase to show you again today. Picked it up from my local resource, the guy I found from the Let Go app. Got some halves and some quarters. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so what we have is 40 halves and 40 quarters. So that's a total of $30 face value. So let's go ahead and dump out the halves first. Ooh-wee. Sounds good. So you can see I've got a mix here of the Walking Liberties, the Franklins, and some Kennedys. So nice little assortment. It's got a little smudge on the top, but Kennedy looks pretty good. Mostly Walking Liberties. Here's a decent looking Franklin here. Let's take a look at that real quick. Pretty nice. That one's got some corrosion on it. Something green on there. It's okay. Overall in pretty good shape. So again, we've got 40 of them here. And then what we also have is a roll of quarters. So let's go ahead and take a look at those. Let me go ahead and move these over to the side here a little bit. Oh gee, that noise sounds so terrible. That's pretty nice. Need to take my thumbnail picture anyway, so put that over here. And let's take a look at these quarters. See what we have here. Dump them out. Oh yeah. Got a little, oh, that one looks like it was in a fire or something. Look at that. Look at that, the other side's almost perfect. It's no breast feather, so it's had some circulation going on with it, but yeah, that must have been on a fire or something. That's okay. We'll go ahead and spread them out here. And yeah, a little bit of tarnish on these, but it's okay. Look at that, 1938, 44. So yeah, so what do you guys think, huh? 40 halves. We've got 40 quarters and a total of $30. So when I did the math on these, I got these for a total of, well, let me just tell you what I got at below spot. It was $2.46 below spot. $2.46. So let me get my calculator out here. I usually have my laptop with me. I don't have it with me tonight. So we do $30. We multiply that by 0.715. We've got 21.45 ounces of silver in all this. Pretty cool, huh? Over 21 ounces of silver. Wow, that's really awesome. So yeah, got it for another great deal. Almost $2.50 below spot, $2.46, and another $30 face value. So that's it for now. I appreciate you watching. And why don't you go ahead and hit that notification button. Then you'll be notified anytime we put out a new video, which I do pretty often. And also, why don't you check out these two videos that just popped up. I've got some great content in there, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.